Hello, people of the world! This is Jason is Lost, Japanese culture, adventure, and of course, me here in Japan, finally telling you where on earth I am. Where I've been for about the last month or so, placed here on the JET program, teaching English. And today is Christmas Eve. You'll see this on Christmas Day, so what an occasion to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'm actually about to show you a Pokemon Center that's just over there. There is a pop-up Pokemon Center just outside the station here with, I believe, every Pokemon has a plushie, so that will be quite a sight, a little Christmas treat for you all. But before I can show you that, I of course had to let you know where on earth I am, and I'm here in Koriyama City, the biggest city here in Fukushima Prefecture, just north of Tokyo, not that far from Tokyo at all really. And it's been, a few weeks of finding my feet here, getting used to working at the schools and finding my way, and sorting out the apartment, getting used to the city. So there's lots to show you, and lots you'll be seeing in the coming videos. But for now, even before all that, and before the Pokemon Center, I had to show you the wonderful Christmas illuminations here that greeted me as I arrived. So here are Koriyama City's Christmas illuminations. So I should actually introduce you to this character. This is Gakuto-kun, Koriyama's mascot, and him and his friends are musicians. Apparently this is a big musicians city. And in fact, just the other side of the station, there's a whole collection of decorations. Looks like they've been designed and made by children of the city. Loads of different styles going on, pretty cool. A little introduction to Koriyama City with their Christmas illuminations. For now, I will leave it there. But again, I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I really look forward to continuing to share my adventures into the new year. And I appreciate you sticking with me and watching and liking and subscribing to the channel, because it really does help. And if you've got any questions, or if there's anything you want to see in future videos, do leave them in the comments below. But for now, I will leave it there, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.